Hello everyone. If you are looking for the easiest way to get traffic and rankings in 2026, you need to see this. Today I'm doing a deep dive into the futures of Done for You Suite 7.0. This is the world's number one done for you social syndication system, and the new updates are absolutely game changing. Let's jump right in. As you can see here, version 7.0 takes things to a whole new level. They have added features that usually cost hundreds of dollars per month if you vote them separately. Let me show you exactly what's inside. Feature number 1 is the Done For You keyword research app. Normally, you need a separate tool to find good keywords, but with Done For You Suite 7.0, it is built in. You just type in your niche, and the software tells you exactly which keywords are easy to rank for. This ensures you are not wasting credits on keywords that are too difficult. Feature number 2 is massive. The AI content engine. In the past, automated link building often used low quality content, but 7.0 integrates directly with ChatGPT. Look at the settings here. The system automatically writes unique, high quality articles for every single backlink it builds. This is critical because Google ranks links higher when they are surrounded by relevant, human readable content. Feature number 3 is my favorite for YouTubers: YouTube RSS automation. If you run a channel, you know how tiring it is to share your video on social media after every upload. With this feature, you just paste your channel's RSS link here one time. After that, the system automatically detects when you publish a new video and immediately starts building backlinks for it. It is completely hands free traffic. Feature number 4 is duplicate submission detection. This is a safety feature. It ensures that your links are always posted on unique sites within their network. This prevents Google from flagging your site as spam, keeping your rankings safe long term. Now, if you do SEO for local businesses, look at the future number 5: Google Maps embedding. You can take a client's Google Map location and embed it across hundreds of sites. This is the secret to ranking in the local map pack that you see at the top of Google search results. Finally, I have to mention the agency rights. During this launch, they are including this for free. This means you can use Done For You Suite 7.0 to rank client websites and videos, and you keep 100% of the profit. So, if you are willing to get this deal, make sure to check out the official website using the first link in the description box below. If you purchase from my link, I'm going to provide you free bonuses. In order to get those bonuses, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll send you the bonuses. That's it. Thanks for watching.